This is Benjamin Horn from Geraldtopia Web Design with a short video on how to edit your WordPress website, specifically looking at how to edit products in WooCommerce. When you log into your website, you'll be greeted normally by the dashboard screen that looks like that. You can then navigate to products. If you click on this menu here on the left hand side where it says products, it'll take you to the products page and you could select your product here. Once you choose a product, you can simply select the word edit or the title, and that will take you to the edit page. There you can see the product like this, and it's ready to edit. Alternatively, you can look at it in this view while you're logged in and you have the toolbar at the top. You can go to the gallery, which is where on this website all the WooCommerce products are shown, and you can scroll down to the different products. You can select product by clicking on it as if you were going to buy it or look at it, and then at the top of the menu you can choose edit product. So if you were looking at this product and you realized that you didn't like the description that was on here, you could go to it, you can click on edit product, and then you will get the description. Here's the description that appears, so you can change that. Once you've changed any text in there, you can then update. So you can also change the images that show for the product. This is the product image that appears in the catalog and appears in the gallery here. You can add additional product images by clicking here in the product gallery. And with regard to pricing, the pricing section is in the product data at the bottom. In this product data section, you'll realize that there is a general, inventory, shipping, linked products, attributes, variations, and advanced. You can manage inventory by managing stock if you choose to do so. On this website, that's not being done because this is custom artwork. With the attributes, you see on this, we can click and there's a size attribute, and you can click on this and it shows you these are the different sizes of the product that are available. So first you have to create the attributes when you're creating a product, and then once you've saved those attributes, you can add them as variations. So here you can see that for each of those there is a variation. Each one has a price. So for 297 ml by 146 millimeters, it's $35. We can close that. This is the next one. You want more details, you can click on the arrow on the right hand side, or this arrow here. No, sorry, not that arrow there, I do apologize. You have to click on this. If you wanted to change the size that it refers to, you would click on this part. So, price is here. You can add a sale price. You can even schedule the sale price so that it runs for a certain period of time if you want to have a special on one product. And that's really all that we're using in this version or this setup on this website. Once you've made changes to the product, you would click update. If you wanted to delete the product, you can either move to trash here on the right hand side next to the update button. If you did that, it would ask you to confirm that you want to do that or not. Apologize, I've actually just deleted it. So if you delete it by mistake, as I've just done, you can go to the trash bin, which is at the top of the menu here on the products, and you can either delete it permanently, which we won't do, or restore. If you restore, it returns it to the catalog, and it's as if nothing happened. We can go back to all products to see a list of the products, and you can see that that's back in there where it should be. So if you wanted to add a new product, we could add a new product by clicking here, but you can also add new on the left hand side under the products menu, or when you're in the products there's a add new button. So we shall call this test product. We'll just put this as some text, and down here we will set product image Find something that looks nice. Let's choose this. Perfect. Set product image. Now, scroll down here, and we want to make sure that the product is a variable product, because the other products here all have different sizes and variations, so it needs to be a variable product. When you're creating a variable product, you also have to create attributes. These are the variations, the different options that you have on that product. So you can select here, you could add a new one, but we're working with size, so we click on size, and we add. So now we've got size. And then you have to put some values. Okay, so you can select existing values. So for example, if it's the same as another image, you could just use the same sizes. Or you can add a new one. If you want to add a new one, you just put it in here. So we could say, we'll just call this one test size 3000 millimeters by 4000 millimeters. Okay, so now we have a new one. Now we can also click here, and we could click a couple of others just randomly, and we have to save attributes. If you don't save it, they won't be there. So now you can see that you click on size, this down arrow, and you get these three different options. When we go to variations, oh, I've missed something, you see. We go back here, we need to click on this box here, used for variations, and then save attributes. So what that's saying is these variations that we've put into, these attributes that we've put in here, can be used for product variations. So now we have add variations. You can create variations from all attributes. We'll go. And then that will add 3 new variations. So it looks at all the possible combinations and adds variations for each combination. In this case, there's only one thing, the size, so it's added 1 for each. And again, we could put a price here. We'll call that $5,000. We'll call this one $200. You can also add stock status, weight, other information about the product if you want information for a shipping calendar perhaps, but that's not actually being used on here, I don't believe. But if it was, you would just enter the dimensions into this section here and save changes. Then for the third one, we'll call it, we'll add a price of $50. So we've now added our products, we've added our variations, we save changes. You still have to publish. We haven't actually published this, so when you click on publish, it becomes an actual product and it would appear in the website. If we go to the top of the page, and then we have, go to the gallery, this should show you all the products, and hopefully, there we go, there's our test product. So we click on our test product, and $50 to $5,000. You can choose an option, and it tells you how much that option costs. Then you could add that to the cart, and that would be your product in your cart. So there's our description here, some text. There have been no reviews of the product. It also shows some other products, related products at the bottom. Now, we don't want this product, so we'll go to Edit Product, and we'll move it to trash. And that's how you edit and update products on the website. Now you see we've still got this product here. Oh, what is it? Let's delete that. Move to trash. There we go. Now we can check in the trash. And we have the earlier test version that I made earlier as a practice for this, and the test version we just deleted. We can delete it permanently, or, as I mentioned before, you can restore it if you've deleted it by mistake, but we'll delete these both permanently. And that's how you edit and create new products in WooCommerce. Thank you.